Hi, I'm Young, and today is a little darker than usual because I want to show you something that's really suitable for nighttime. Super Night Vision by Akeeyo. So what's inside this box? Inside this box there is a super night vision system with dashcam.
The 11.26-inch display, front camera for super night vision, and rear camera which is waterproof. The display bracket and cigarette lighter charger. GPS antenna which is about 3 meters, and the power cable for parking monitoring as well as reverse assist. And the rear camera cable is about 7 meters, so definitely enough for most of the vehicles.
Super night vision system, it works at f1.0, so it makes the night driving as clear as the sky. So let's get driving in the night to really show you what this is about. So here I'm driving at a road that doesn't have so many lights. Of course, I rely on my own sight to actually see if there's anything out there, anything that I need to watch out during the nighttime driving. However, how this assists is that with a big monitor of 11.26-inch large screen, you can see that the display actually shows the night driving more bright than what you see with your own eyes. So if there's anything that you do want to cross-reference, then you can take a quick reference to the 11.26-inch large display. Videos that you see me over driving or being on the road, it is the direct files from Super Night Vision system. So you can tell what kind of files that it saves onto its 32GB micro SD card, which is included in the box. Another very special feature is that there is a vehicle blind spot detection system. So here I'm driving on the road at night, and it also works during daytime as well. And you can see on each side, whenever there is a car passing by, then it will show like red edge, which is really helpful, especially if you're driving sort of older model of car like me. Then you get this extra display showing you any blind spot detection for safer driving. So this is all done real time because this 11.26-inch large screen, it displays the road view real time, just like a live broadcast. And there are many different modes to go about.
You've seen plenty of rear and front view in this video already, so I'm going to show you my favorite mode where you can see both front and the back camera view. Once in that mode, I'm actually able to see the wider angle view from the camera because both cameras are wide angle, and of course the actual files are wide angles as well. With 11.26-inch large screen, I'm able to touch screen to fully control the dash cam. You can slide left or right to change the view modes in the touchscreen display, and you can touch screen up and down to change the angle of the view. To quickly show you the solid quality of the HD recording, this is the raw file of the front camera during daytime, and this is the rear camera recording straight from the SD card.
Front and rear cameras, they both have full HD, so that's 1920 by 1080p, and the image is in vivid color.
The back camera is a little less bright, however it's definitely clear to see everything of what's going on behind the car. And I think my window was a little dirty, but no problem, you can install the rear camera outside of the car because it is waterproof.
And if anything that you need to reference back in the future, then you can take the file from the 32GB micro SD card included, and it's easily accessed either by the display, so you can check it on the spot, or you can just take the SD card and slot it to your computer to check anything that needs to be reviewed again. And you can see the files actually look very decent. You can clearly see the number plates on other cars on the road. And included in the box is the cable for 24-hour parking monitor. It's very easy to install. And also in the package includes the GPS. So what GPS does is that it shows the driving speed as well as the position information such as latitude and longitude of the vehicle. And it's recorded together with the recording data, so the evidence capacity is further enhanced. And during constant recording, when the G sensor mounted on this unit has an impact, but I'm not going to test that, I'm not going to impact my car, but there is G sensor mounted on the device, so any emergency recording will start if there is an impact. hopefully you don't need to use that. The video recorded at that emergency recording, it will be put away in the locked folder, so it will not be overwritten. And the rear camera at the back side, it does have IP67 waterproof design. So if you want to actually install your camera at the back, I haven't done that, I've done it actually inside a window at the back. However, if you want more clearer pictures, more clearer recording, then you definitely want to have it outside, and there's no problem because it is waterproof. So I've been using Akeeyo Super Night Vision for some time to really thoroughly test it out. And what I like is the build quality was really good. The wiring, they were all really thick, because the previous dashcam that I used to have, it had very thin wiring. However, this one, it is lined really thick so that everything will be safe. And it was nice having a large display that actually showed more safer driving, the environment around the car, just like newer cars. But of course, it's a lot more costly if you want to buy a new car. So you can actually upgrade your dashcam system with this. However, if you don't like to have something that's too bright in front of your eyes while you're driving, because of course we should focus on actually seeing what's really out there with our own eyes, then you can actually decrease the display lighting by setting. And it was very easy to actually change the setting looking at the big display, rather than, you know, some other dashcams, simpler dashcams out there, you have to actually go through the app to actually change any of the settings. However, with Akeeyo Super Night Vision, I could do everything on the display without connecting any app, etc. So if you're driving a lot at nighttime and you want to upgrade your dashcam, this is something that you could check out. So please see the link down below, and I'll come back with other reviews. So please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you!